problem? What's your problem? What does a dog say? What does a cat say?
Wow.
What does a chicken say? And what does a duck say? And what does a monkey say? And what does a lion say? What does a cow say? And what does a sheep say? Bah. What does Lachlan say? What does Lachlan say? Lachlan say, oh. What does Mum say? Mum a monkey. Yeah. Can Mum have a kiss? No. Can Mum have a kiss? Give Mum a kiss. Oh, Mum gets a cuddle. Oh, cuddle, 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 cuddle. Hey, Tita. You say hello, Tita? Where's Tita? We're just up, hence all of this. It's very pretty. Oh, you're my bed on the back. What do you say to Tita? What does Tita say?
Daddy.
She says, oh, Daddy. What does Tita say? No. You say love you? No. Who's love you? You're going to play Boo. Who's Bubba? Who's Bubba? Who's Bubba? Where's Bubba? Boo! Where's Bubba? Boo! Boo! What other tricks can we do before we gotta go?
Boo!